Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I'm a professional crypto trader. I really like getting feedback from you guys about the market, what you're trading, successes, failures. So I'm going to go ahead and start giving out a t-shirt every week now. What I'll do is I'll look at all comments from Thursday to Thursday, and then Friday select a random winner. All right, take a look at Bitcoin today. We are on our daily chart. Look at this interesting development. So we have our weekly line that we created, which was this top line here that we sort of broke above pretty authoritatively. And then we have our bottom support coming up this way. If we go back to daily, you can see that we popped up above it pretty hard and we are finding support on it. So this is kind of interesting. I just wanted to clarify one thing that some of you, or you might hear in the news or something that, oh, this is our healthy correction that we're looking for. This is not a correction. And let me explain why. Our corrections break bottoms. So this is our line right here. This is probably, I'll probably have to even draw it slightly different because this is really our line. It's this. We have kind of a slow rise line here. We've got a fast rise line here. Breaking below this fast line will start our correction. This is not a correction, which means that if we stay above this fast rise line, there's no correction here. This is consolidation and continuation. There's a big difference between a correction and a consolidation. A correction will bring us down to this line. 12.5 is what we're looking for. 12.3 to 12.5 is our correction number. We hit down here, we are golden. So if by the end of November we can touch down here, we will be primed to hit 20,000, and we could seriously do it in December. I mean, look at this chart. We've got almost two months ahead of us. If we can turn down a little bit early and get inside of here and find our support, we are ready to rock and roll. So this is not a bad thing. I'm not sad about this at all. But this is also not a correction. This is just we had a super exuberant run up, we had an indecision candle, and now we've had a drop down. And honestly, to help you guys understand, if we close above 50% of the distance of this candle, so if the body is the same size or smaller than the tail of this candle here, then this is extremely bullish. So we may not have seen this might be just a blip on the map. So we're still looking for an actual correction. This is not it. This is going to take a few days before we know whether this is a correction or not. Hope that helps. Trader versus crypto market. Okay, we are looking at the total market cap in Bitcoin. So yesterday, when we saw all of those bullish engulfing candles, it's because alts went from here all the way up to here. Our market cap in Bitcoin just really launched. Today, we started the day down here, and now we're up here. So our total market cap is about 10 million Bitcoin, and it's sort of fluctuating around. Same as the conversation about Bitcoin earlier, this is not a break. See how we've got a line of dropping that we have not broken? This is in line, so there's no information to be garnered from this. A full move outside of this trend right here, like either laterally or turning vertical, would be confirmation that we've actually started growing our altcoin market cap. So there are a couple of other things to look at, I wanted to show you a couple of more charts. We're going to head over and look at some of these. So after all of these, well, this was not a bullish engulfing candle, but here's our Ethereum where we have a bullish engulfing candle and we're having this indecision candle. It takes a lot to be bearish after a bullish engulfing candle. So this is sort of an indecision situation. But look at Litecoin. Litecoin has this awesome bullish engulfing candle, but we are coming back down. And people might think, oh, does this invalidate our bullish engulfing? And no, it does not. In fact, staying above 50% of our bullish engulfing candle is still bullish. So this is looking just fine. Even though we've had a negative day, it is definitely in line with what we're looking for. And keep an eye on that 50-day moving average. That thing is coming down. We're going to get close again. If we have a chance to cross and get above that, we will be exiting the red zone, which is an awesome thing to be doing. There are other coins that have continued on and done really well. There are some coins that did not do so well. So this is another example. This is Vertcoin. We are below 50%. This is not great. It's still within reason though. We had a tail that didn't quite get as long, but I looked at this earlier, so I thought we were a little lower. But if we get down here where we close below, this is not a reversal. It's going to continue. It just has to finish doing what it's doing. If it ends the day a little bit higher, then we will be in pretty good shape. There are some coins that did pretty well. So one coin that I have been watching is EXP, Expanse. And let me turn off the averages because you can't see anything. But this one has won the Overexcited Award today. It's up 40% from this doji yesterday. So this was not a bullish engulfing, and certainly not on the radar even for this. But you know, sometimes coins move. But yeah, we wait for the right setup, and there's no way we would get in right here. We want to wait for another correction, another solid bottom, and then we would enter. So those are a couple of kind of the aftermath of this wild bullish engulfing that we had yesterday. But all in all, things are looking good. We have, again, we have our market cap. It's kind of increased, but boy, it would be nice to break this trend. If we could break this trend, then we'd be in a lot better shape. Okay, it is time to separate the CoinBook trolls from the CoinBook fans. So, these are the magnificent t-shirts that we are giving away every Friday. These are individually packaged with love from your best friends, China. There's also this incredible option designed by yours truly, and we'll be giving away probably one or two of these every Friday to just a random comment on any of the videos over the past week. But, and I don't blame you, if you absolutely cannot live without one of these shirts, I am willing to part with them for $15 worth of your favorite crypto. Just reach out to me on social media and we'll get you guys hooked up.